Okay, so if your feed is currently just a mess of rumors and like conflicting dates about the Monad airdrop, you've definitely hit the right deep dive.
Yeah.
We're going to try and cut through all that noise today, give you some quick actionable info on the timelines, the availability, the real deal.
Exactly. We're really zeroing in on, I think, three key things here, pulled right from Monad's own updates and market context.
Okay.
So, confirming that claim date, looking at why the listing timeline is still kind of murky, and then the confirmed exchanges plus that pre-market stuff that's happening right now.
Right. Okay, let's dive into that timeline confusion first, because honestly, Monad kind of started it themselves, didn't they?
All of it, yeah.
October 8th, they tweet, airdrop claim 98% loading,
Yeah.
gets everyone hyped. Then the very next day, October 9th, they update it.
Yeah.
Claim portal opens Tuesday, October 14th.
Mm-hmm.
And I admit, I was one of the people immediately trying to find that portal link.
Oh, yeah, and you probably found that temporary access link, right? Where you had to click I am early.
Yeah, and it said, you were not supposed to find this, which was, okay, kind of funny.
It was pretty funny, yeah. A nice little Easter egg, maybe. But it definitely caused the confusion we need to clear up.
Right. So let's be super clear for you listening. October 14th, based on everything we're seeing, is only for the claim portal opening. That's it.
Exactly. You go, you claim your tokens, that part's happening.
That doesn't mean you can suddenly trade them on Binance Spot Market or Coinbase or whatever on the 14th.
Correct. There is absolutely no confirmed listing date for October 14th, just the claim.
Okay.
And, that distinction claim now, lists later, it makes a lot of sense strategically, especially if you look at the wider market right now.
Yeah, things have been pretty shaky lately.
Totally. We've seen that big crypto market dip. Things have slowed down quite a bit. So launching straight into spot trading right now, maybe not the smartest move.
So delaying the actual listing, it helps manage maybe volatility, expectations.
Precisely. It lets them handle the token distribution first, make sure that goes smoothly, without also dealing with, immediate price dumps in a potentially soft market.
Okay, that makes sense. It's sort of strategic patience. But while they're being patient on the listing date, they have been busy lining up partners. That exchange list was pretty impressive.
Oh, absolutely. Monad posted it themselves on X, and we're talking the big guns here.
Yeah, lay it out for us.
Okay, so confirmed for the eventual spot launch. Binance, BitGet, which some early rumors called Bitkate, so just watch that spelling, Bybit. KuCoin, sometimes shortened to Kcoin, OKX, and the big one, especially for U.S. folks, Coinbase.
Wow. Okay, that's basically everyone that matters, Binance and Coinbase.
It's a serious lineup, shows huge confidence, and guarantees broad access when it does list on spot.
Okay, so the spot listing is TBD, but backed by major players.
Yeah.
But for people who are really eager to trade now,
Yeah.
there actually is a way, right? This pre-market thing.
Yes. And this is where it gets kind of fascinating strategically. While the main spot market is on hold, Monad is already trading.
Where? Wow.
On the futures pre-market. Binance specifically announced they've listed Monad futures for pre-market trading. And yeah, it's live right now. People are trading contracts based on it.
Okay, hold on. For listeners maybe not super deep into trading lingo, what exactly is futures pre-market trading? Why do that before the real launch?
Right, good question. So, futures trading is basically betting on the future price. You're not buying the actual Monad token right now to hold in your wallet.
Okay.
You're trading contracts that will settle based on Monad's price later. By doing this before the spot listing, Monad lets the market start figuring out a price. It builds liquidity, sort of tests the waters.
So it's like price discovery.
Exactly, price discovery. And it can help prevent maybe a huge chaotic price swing, usually downwards, when millions of claimed tokens suddenly become available to sell on the main spot exchanges all at once. It's a more controlled way to start.
Gotcha. So it conditions the market a bit. Okay, so let's wrap this up. What's the core takeaway for you listening?
Well, number one, October 14th. Circle it on your calendar for claiming tokens. Definitely do that.
But manage your expectations.
Yeah.
It is not the day you'll suddenly see it trading everywhere on spot.
Correct. Claim date, not listing date. But number two is that massive exchange list, Binance, Coinbase, all of them. That signals this is a serious project with major backing, ready for a big launch eventually.
And the fact that it's already trading in the futures pre-market adds another layer.
Right. Which brings us to the final thought for you to chew on. Given that Monad is already building a price history and liquidity profile on the Binance futures pre-market right now, how do you think that early activity, that price discovery we talked about, might influence the actual public spot listing price when it finally launches? Could it actually maybe dampen some of that crazy initial volatility we often see with big new coin launches. That's the strategic angle to keep an eye on.